Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video here on Freewheel Photos. Today is really an exciting day because I get to combine two amazing pieces of software. Most of you know I love to use ON1 Photo RAW, but there's also the big fall upgrade coming from Luminar Neo, and one of the tools that they're going to have in there is the color transfer. Now, I have a piece of software that I use, which is Boris FX Optics, that also offers this exact same feature. So I'm going to showcase the concept of what you can do if you are using ON1 Photo RAW Max, or really any other program that allows you to use Luminar Neo as a plugin and then bring it back as a layer and kind of work with the color transfer. So what I'm going to do is come up to layer and hit filters. Now in this case, I'm going to use Boris FX Optics. However, what you would do is come down to Skyloom and then Luminar Neo once this tool is available. And when it is, then I will showcase that as well. But I'm going to go ahead and hit Optics. And while this thing's through, just want to let you know, if you plan to pick up the Luminar Big Fall upgrade between the 15th of August and the 25th of August, they have their early bird special. You can save some money by using the coupon code down in the description box. And then of course, if you don't have ON1 and you want to save some money when you pick that up, then consider using the ON1 coupon code in the description box. And again, this isn't to showcase how Boris FX works. It's really just to show you the concept once you get back inside of ON1 after you have edited your photo or at least applied the color transfer tool. What I'm going to do is scroll over here to the right and just click on match, and I'm going to select an image that I want to combine with this particular photo. It's just a really nice orange, like sunset kind of image that I think will complement well with the photo that I'm working on. So I'm going to go ahead and hit open, and it's going to apply those colors across the image. Now, this is not working like the AI that is going to be inside of Luminar Neo. This is working a little bit differently, but it's still the same idea. Again, this is just to prove a concept. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit apply. I'm not going to edit this any further inside of Boris FX. Anytime that you use ON1 to activate a program as a plugin, then it's going to send it back and provide you with a layer. What I can do with this layer is like any other layer, and this will be the same once you get your image back from Luminar Neo. You can work with your base layer as well as the edited layer. For simplicity, I am going to rename this, and I'm just going to call this Boris. So that way I know that that came from Boris FX, and then we'll know that this one is the base layer. So the first thing that I'm going to do, particularly for this image, is just change the blend mode down to lighten. I think that lighten is going to give this a better color grade overall. You can experiment with your photo. And then I'm probably going to lower the opacity so it's not eating up a whole lot of the original colors, because I kind of just want this to change the overall feel and tonality. And this is an image that was already edited. The point here is to really just showcase that you can use other images to help color grade, and this is going to help us really start to get styles and colors into our images that maybe don't come natural to us. You could look at an image, admire the colors, and then you can translate them into your own photos, just like I did here. Well, this isn't mine, but into the photo that's here. So what I would probably do from here is maybe even darken the background, but this isn't a tutorial on everything else. I just kind of wanted to showcase the proof of concept of taking an image, transferring the color into another image, and then bringing that photo back into ON1 Photo RAW. So that way you can blend it with the original image just like we did here. And again, if you want to pick up Luminar Neo Big Fall Upgrade, which is at a really discounted rate right now, then go ahead and use the link in the description box below and consider using my coupon code. I do make a small commission, but all the proceeds go right back into this channel. If you got questions about this, let me know down in the comment section. And until next time, I want you guys to stay inspired and keep creating. Peace.